Hi, algebra fans. Here's Mrs. Lindsay to help you make your reflections video in Canva. So to begin my video, I open up the Canva home screen, and if I go up here to create, it gives me some options. I'd like to create a video down here on the left, and video landscape is best for math. So as this pops up here, it gives me some designs. I can back to my Canva home screen and create a design that's a presentation. And again, I'll choose one of these presentations. This is fine. And again, I don't want any of these templates. So I go over here to the left, all the way down here where it says uploads. And what I need to do is upload a file that I've saved. And here I can go to my downloads. And I want to look for a download. I want to look for something in my download folder or wherever you saved a blank copy of the problem you want to reflect on. So hopefully you've taken a screenshot of the original problem that you would like to reflect on, and you've saved it somewhere in your download folder. I've already done this. So once you've downloaded that, you go to Upload Files, and you click on it and put it into the files for Canva. So here's my file. Here's my screenshot, and you can actually make it a little bit bigger if you'd like. And all the way on the left again, underneath Uploads or somewhere, are drawing tools. So before I start reflecting on the problem that I want to talk about and write about, I need to record myself doing this. So in this template, if I go back to my demo video, go back to uploads, go to record, talking head, or you can leave your picture out of it if you'd like. Go to the little gear button where it chooses camera. Don't choose that, that's just you. Camera and screen, or just screen. We're going to go to record a Chrome tab that we were using for our presentation. And that was, I didn't title it, Untitled Presentation. There it is. And we would share that. Now on my video tab, I press record, and it should be recording the tab that I'm sharing, which is my untitled presentation, the problem that I want to reflect on. So these two inequalities have been graphed together, and the common solution area, I'll use my red pen, I will label S, because that is the section where both inequalities are true. Whoops. If I want to erase that, there it goes. I used the eraser. So in other words, both inequalities are true at the same time, so it's the double shaded area of the inequality. Go back to my video and click Done. So here's the screen I'm recording from. I hope it's not too confusing. It's difficult to record a screen that you're actually recording from. But when you go to click Done, your recording will stop. Then, I'm still recording, so I can't actually do this. You go to Save and Exit. It won't let me do it because I can't save something that I'm currently recording. But when you click Done and you're finished recording, go to Save and Exit. To share your video with us, you need to go to Share. Make sure you choose the option to share and let anyone with the link access your. Then copy the link and you can paste it in the Google Classroom under the assignment. And Mr. Falco and I should be able to access it. I would also click the download button so that you have a copy of this video in your download folder in case we don't get it or in case something happens. You have a copy of it and you don't have to do the assignment over. And that's about it. Easy as that. Making your Canva video for your reflections assignment.